Today I got a special treat for you guys to see. I've been cutting on my saw. Let me get this wet. And I thought I would share some beautiful, beautiful petrified wood. Look like petrified wood to you? Check this out. Oh my gosh. How beautiful. Look at that, guys. Is that not like so pretty? Look at the colors in that. So here's the other side of it. I mean, wow. Wow. It just turned out amazing. I'm going to be able to make some amazing pieces with that. And then I got this piece of petrified wood. Tried to kind of keep them all together. You can see one in there. Oh, it's not all wet, but some opalized wood. Check that out. See the growth lines there all around. That'd be a nice piece to work with. Beautiful. Same with that piece there. And I had this one here. I actually did this yesterday, and all this yellow you're seeing on here is all from the pollen from yesterday. But anyways, here's another. Oh yeah, this one turned out so cool. Okay, another piece of petrified wood. Kind of give you a outside look here. Oh, look at this. Wow. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. And I cut it this way, but I also cut down the other way. Now this one, you guys, is amazing. Look at the growth rings in that. So you can write, here's a great example on, depending on the way you cut your stone, depends on what design you're going to get in these. So you cut it that way, you're going to actually see those growth rings that way. There's that other side. Oh my gosh. Stunning piece. But if you cut it this way, you're gonna get those kind of lines. So it really just depends on what kind of look you're going for. I personally like this side better, but that's cool too. So anyways, this piece here was nothing too huge, but pretty. Pretty. And then over here, I've had this Pastelite Jasper from Washington, and I just kind of wanted to give her a cut and see what she looked like open. Here's one side. Very light in color, some pinky color and orangey colors in there. I'd say maybe more peach. And this is one cut from it as well. This piece didn't have a whole lot going on. But this is another piece of the same stuff, just different cut, different piece. You can see this one has agate in it. See the agate right in there. Ooh. So you can see, it just depends on where you cut in this stuff, and you might actually have some agate vein running through it, but that's a pretty nice piece right there. I think I'll be able to work with this stuff. I'm gonna like it. So that is Pastelite Jasper from Washington. And then I had to cut one of my beautiful Jaspers that I have found on the river. Check this out, guys. Oh my gosh. Now you see why I call it Jasper agate? You see that agate in there? Mm-hmm. Look at those colors, though. Wow. Oh, I'm just so happy with this one. Oh my gosh. Coloring, this is just amazing. Okay. And then let me share one of the biggest poppy Jaspers I found. And believe it or not, the very first one. This is the very first poppy Jasper I ever found. One of the nicest ones with the white in there. But look at that. Not the deepest red color, but when it comes to poppies, most poppies are with the white is what is most sought for. If you look up Morgan Hill poppy Jaspers, which is, if you look up poppies, is what you're gonna probably come across. That is what is so popular, is these poppies with the white. Yeah, and I got me a big piece of it. Just a beautiful piece. That's what got me hooked. Got me hooked on the poppies. And then I'm gonna move to this one. This is that one I found on Hamma that I decided to take home with me. Oops, sorry guys. If I got this off the camera. That's just some saw marks, but look at that. Look at that. I knew cutting this piece open was gonna look beautiful. Beautiful. See, that was that one. That was that one. And I wanted to cut up. Yeah. Look at that. Just beautiful. Ooh, my sun's coming out more. Alright, I'll move on. Try and make it quick. This one, I'm not 100% scent. Talk right here. Where this is from, but I had it in my collection. Decided to give her a cut. Wow. This has got like some pink, mauve pink colors to it. It looks like a Jasper. I'm wondering if this is Imperial Jasper. I don't know. If anybody recognizes this, though, look at that. Gosh, look at that. Recognizes that? Please leave a comment below and let me know. Or have any ideas on what this is. Greatly appreciate it. And moving on. I'm gonna move on to this one here. This is another one that I got off the Hamma. And Rookie was saying these are the ones he likes to see inside of. So I cut this one for you just to see inside of it. Look at that, dude. Look at that, man. That is sick. Yeah, that turned out really nice. Really, really, really nice. Just beautiful. Love all the little swirlies. To see that masterpiece of nature, what it made. Oh, so cool. So cool. And anyway, I'm gonna move on to this one. It was a piece from my grandpa's collection. I just kind of wanted to cut it up. Maybe tumble it. Some beautiful dendritic action going on in there. Nice agate layer. Ooh. turned out alright. It'll look nice after it's tumbled. So I got some of that cut up. And then I'm gonna move on to this here. This here is, I finally figured out what this was. Thirst. That stuff that I thought was petrified wood, green petrified wood. No, it's not. It is purple cow jasper. Look up purple cow jasper agate, and that's what this is. And oh my gosh, it is beautiful, guys. Look at that. Look at that. I definitely still believe that there's opal in this, and I mean, you could tell opal from Chalcedony right away when they're next to each other, because opal is very, very glassy looking. And there's definitely some opal in this as well, but oh my gosh, that is just going to be amazing to tumble. I'm gonna tumble this piece anyway. I have well, not a lot more, but I definitely have more of this stuff, so I'll probably cut some pieces as well and polish them, but these are going in the tumbler. And then got 2 more pieces here. Of course, I got a nice Montana here. Ooh. Cut that open. Okay, nope, no jokes. No jokes, guys. No jokes, I'm telling you. I can't even almost hold this thing right now, but okay, look at that. Oh, I don't think that's coming through. Beautiful, beautiful Montana carnelian agate right there. Awesome. Don't laugh at the shape. Anyways, oh my gosh, though, these are just so pretty. Pretty. There's that. And then the last one, guys, last one. And this is another purple cow jasper. I say jasper agate because there's agate. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh. My grandpa, I tell you what, has some beautiful stuff. He knew the good stuff to collect right here. I wish he was still around so I could go hounding with him. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, and learn from him. Oh my gosh, he probably would have taught me. He would have told me what everything was. Taught me so much. Anyways, another tumbler piece. But that was what I cut. I'm gonna show you now what I cut it on. So, this is my saw. This is what I use to cut my stones. Got a 10-inch tile saw here, and I use a DeWalt XP4 blade. Best blade I've ever used. It works wonderful. And then I'm gonna go show you my other toys. So I got a 7-inch trim saw that I also use to trim my stones. And over here, as you can see, I got my tumblers and my big tumbler. And now for the reveal of my newest toy. My newest toy, guys. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, I got me a cabin machine. This has been months in the making, actually, of me being able to get this. Been working with somebody, got this for a really great deal from a member of the Gem Society. So another great reason to join your local Gem Society, your local rock clubs, because you'll get major great deals. 10-inch blade. It needs a new blade and a little cleaning, but that's a 10-inch blade. Those are 8-inch wheels. And I just got done cleaning her all up. So that is what I'm gonna be doing next, guys. Be making a bunch of awesome cabochons. Woo woo! So there's your sneak peek of my new toy. I did want to add, though, when all this COVID stuff is over, I'm going to be getting a crash course from the Cab King himself. The president of the Gem Society is going to give me a crash course on how to cab. So hopefully I'll get some footage of that and be able to give you guys a video of how to make a cab. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys.